This will be short and sweet. Got some exciting news about the repairs on the frozen pipes and also an update on my mom. I took the RV to Tuscumbia, Alabama last Wednesday to Kimbrough's RV repair. Never been there before. Plumbing's burst because of the cold weather and things I should have done differently. I thought it would be down there for a couple of weeks. Took it down Wednesday. They called me Friday morning. It was done. So today I am on my way back to Tuscumbia, Alabama. If you have an RV, you've probably tried a lot of different repair shops. So this video is just to let you know what I think about going to Kimbrough's. I hope it's really exceptional. I know when I posted this on several of the Facebook forums, when I asked for recommendations, Kimbrough's name came up, and then when I posted I had taken it there, I had a comment or two that they were dissatisfied with Kimbrough's. So I'm not going to pass the judgment one way or the other. I'm just going to tell you how the work was done. Attitude, efficiency, and workmanship. I'll also give you an update on my mom. I'm going to go down to see her once I pick the coach up. I don't know about you, but I can hardly believe that this was done as quickly as it was. I want to see the bay down here. I was very fortunate there's only one leak. That's good to get back in here. Solar panels have kept the refrigerator running. Okay, we'll turn on the kitchen sink here and see how that's working. Okay, first impressions, and I'm going to give this some time. I've checked all the water pressure throughout the coach. Everything is working just like it's supposed to. They gave me a price. They stuck to it. They even did some extra work and did not charge me for the extra work. It was done. Their attitude was great. So far, the workmanship is good. Efficiency, I give that a thumbs up. So this right now is 3 thumbs up. And probably should do 4 thumbs up because I'm going to be boondocking for the next couple of days and I need some water. And they told me just pull around back and fill up all the water that I need. So Kimbrough's Automotive in Tuscumbia, Alabama. Appreciate those of you who were praying for my mom. Took her to lunch and she got, what does she like? She likes crawfish dip at Harvey's. And so anyhow, thanks for asking. She's recuperating and I'll let you know more in the future. Tell your mom and them I said hey.